Willie in Atlanta, Georgia. Willie.
Hey, good morning. How are you?
How are you?
Hey, how you doing, Willie?
All right. Love the show, guys. You need an Image Award for this, man.
Image Award, Squeeze. Image Award.
Well, thank you so much for even saying that.
You know what you need to do is you got to be able to share this and tell your friends. Can't get an Image Award if nobody knows the show exists.
Right.
So please share this with your friends. What's your question?
Absolutely. All right. Girlfriend lives in Jamaica. She's coming up in April for my birthday. Want to propose to her. I've had a consultation with a lawyer here, immigration lawyer in Atlanta. They told me to wait 95 days to marry her. She's on a B1, B2. Would that be considered her being an overstay? Because from my understanding, it's only good for 90 days.
No, she's good for 6 months, number one. And even if she only gets 90 days, the fact that she's married to an American citizen forgives her overstay. If that was good advice that you got. If she comes to the United States for purposes of getting married, it's a misrepresentation, and she would be barred for life. So what you want to do is wait 90 days. The law says if she gets engaged and married 90 days after her entry into the United States, the law presumes that she came to the United States to visit and then she changed her mind. So if you get engaged on day 95, and if you want to have a shotgun wedding, not to say she's pregnant, but a shotgun wedding and get married the day later, that would be perfectly fine too. You just want to wait the 90 days, a minimum of 90 days.
Okay.
Even if she only has 90 days to stay here, the fact that she overstayed her time by 2, 3, 4 days is not going to be a bar to getting her green card by adjusting her status. Believe it or not, if you try to comply with the law and adjust her status within the first 90 days, she's going to be barred for life. That's how stupid the laws are, but that's what the laws are. She's going to be barred for life for misrepresentation.
Okay, so should I even wait to propose to her, or I can propose now but don't have the wedding until after the 90 days?
Well, you can propose to her any way you want, but I will tell you that if immigration knows that she came to the United States and you propose to her, or within the 90 days, if they are aware of this, then it could cause a problem. You wait 90 days, you have no problem. So at the interview, we don't want you to lie. Nobody wants you to lie, okay? When did you come to the United States? I came on January 1st. When did he propose to you? April 1st. When did you get married? April 15th. Wonderful. Congratulations, here's your green card.
Cool, okay, gotcha.
All right?
And she should make this a round trip or a one-way flight?
Well, she should be making it a round trip because if it's a one-way flight, she has the intention of staying.
Exactly. Okay. All right, cool. I just wanted to get it, man. I love you guys, man. I watch the show all the time.
Thanks a lot, man. Spread the word for us, all right?
Right. And she has to, and she has to truly have the intention. She can't be making a round-trip ticket and say, oh, well, you know, in the back of her mind, I'm getting married, I'm staying.
Right.
That can't be her intent either, because then she's going to be stopped at the airport. You truly have to have the intent of coming and going, and then changing your mind somewhere in the middle of your trip.
Makes sense.
Okay.
1-800-529-5465. Once again, this is the Brad and Squeeze Show. Live at 9, live at noon. Make sure you place your questions on the social media page, Brad and Squeeze. We have Anna that's going to be reading those questions off shortly, so get ready for that. But let's go back to the phone lines here. 1-800-529-5465. The Brad and Squeeze Show, powered by USA Credit Repair Inc.com.
Let's go to Jessica in Daytona Beach, Florida.
Hi. Good morning.
Hi, Jessica. How are you?
I'm pretty good. Thank you guys for everything you guys are doing.
Okay.
I have a couple of questions.
Mm-hmm.
I was married before, and my husband, I applied for my change of status twice and got denied because of my husband's incarceration. And we broke up about a year and a half ago.
Your husband was the U.S. citizen?
Yes, he was.
Okay, what was he incarcerated for? Oh, okay.
He had an Adam Walsh
sex
case.
Abuse.
Yes.
Prior sex abuse case.
Yes.
Right.
So they denied it twice, and then we separated about a year and a half, sometime 2016. Mm-hmm. And I met this guy in March of 2017, and he proposed to me, my fiance now proposed to me in September. Mm-hmm. But I filed for my divorce from my ex-husband in October, mm-hmm. and we were planning to get married in April 20, right. But the divorce didn't come through.
Okay.
So I want to know when the divorce comes through, how long I can wait before I get married, and after that, how long I can wait to put my status in.
Well, okay, well, you're living with this man now, right? The guy who you're
Yes.
going to get married to. All right, so let me just say
Yes.
two things, okay? And I'm going to answer all your questions. So just, okay? Number one, I have never seen ever anybody who is married to somebody who's a U.S. citizen who is on the child sex registry list get a green card. Never. Because the U.S. citizen has to file an Adam Walsh waiver, and I have never in my career seen an Adam Walsh waiver approved. Because the way the law works is you have to prove that there to a certainty that Jessica, for example, who's calling,
Right.
is safe living with this man. There is no way in the world that you can prove to a certainty that would happen. The best that anybody can do, the best psychiatrist, the best psychologist that anyone can do is say, it is extraordinarily unlikely that anything bad would happen to Jessica. This man has been in rehab and has had a good history for 20 years, but nobody can give a 100% certainty to it.
Right.
And as a result of that, it's impossible to get the Adam Walsh waiver approved.
So why do they even have it?
So basically, I don't know why they have it, and I will say this. Anybody who's married to somebody who's on the child sex registered list, even though that person may have done something 20, 30 years ago, maybe it was even consensual for all we know, and you're still on the you still have to prove that this person is safe. It's almost impossible to do. I've never actually seen it happen. People who have to file these Adam Walsh waivers always inevitably never get their green cards. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. So as far as you're concerned, as soon as you get divorced, you're free to get married the next day. So, and then the day after, you're free to file your papers. And you should get your green card in 6-9 months.
Okay, because my fiance, not my present husband, my fiance is worried about, if they might harm us or anything.
No. Well, first of all, you should have us as your attorneys. We can help you, even in Daytona Beach, Florida.
Yep.
We fly all over the country to help people. Atlanta, Daytona Beach, Florida. And I guess you're doing your divorce in Florida, and it's taking a little longer than you expected. But certainly hold on, and we should be able to help you, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Once again, folks, the number is 1-800-529-5465, The Brad and Squeeze Show. 1-800-529-5465. Brad, you want to take one more and then we go to
and
Anna?
if you can remind everyone to please share. I don't think we've done that.
Oh, yeah. Once again, people, do remember, as I said before, share the page on your own timeline and then share to at least 50 of your friends. That will help us tremendously right here on the Brad and Squeeze Show. Once again, just share that page to as many of your friends as you can. Once again, the Brad and Squeeze Show brought to you by USACreditRepayInc.com. Let's go to one more and then we'll find Anna.
Stephanie.
Hello. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I shared already 10 times, and they keep saying to me, "Oh, you share this every day with me." I said, "I don't care."
What? Wait, what? What'd you say?
No, I said I shared 10 times every morning, and they're like, "Say you shared it to me yesterday. Why do it today?" I said, "I don't care. You get it."
Share again.
Oh,
yeah, I like
share
that.
again. Okay,
Yeah.
fine.
Share every day.
It's so what?
Sharing is caring.
Sharing is caring. If anyone complains, just say, "I'm just caring for you."
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Stephanie.
Steph?
What happened to her? She was sharing so much.
She got cut off.
She got cut off. Jason in Atlanta.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Morning, Jason.
Yes, Chief. Calling to find out some information, right? So, for example, you've been arrested and you have a pending case before the court. Can you still go ahead and apply for your green card?
No, you got to figure, if you've been arrested, you shouldn't be applying for anything because they're not going to give you a green card till the disposition, the result of that criminal case is resolved. So make sure you have a good criminal defense attorney. Don't plead guilty to anything before you pass it by an immigration lawyer.
Because what happened? If I was supposed to explain what happened,
It doesn't matter what happens. If you have a pending case, you should not be applying for a green card, no matter how silly or stupid it is.
And you should not even send in the petition either.
No, nothing. You have a pending case, a criminal case. You should not be dealing with immigration at all until the criminal case is resolved.
Okay.
No matter how stupid or silly it is.
Okay, so when you reference to a criminal case, you mentioned it across the board, right?
Right.
Any case before the court?
Yeah, unless it's running through a stop sign. If it's a traffic incident, no.
Sorry, could you repeat that?
What was you arrested for?
This is family violence. I got
Family violence.
12
Domestic violence is a deportable offense. You should not be doing anything.
Oh, so I
Hold
should
on one
just wait
second.
until.
Hold on. That's not a silly thing. Hold on. Domestic violence ain't silly, Squeeze.
Nope.
Not in my book. All right. Willie in Atlanta, Georgia. Willie,
Hey, how you doing, buddy?
what's up?
All right, so girlfriend coming up, we spoke earlier. Girlfriend coming up in April.
Right.
The lawyer also suggested that a month after she get here, we should come into the office and start the paperwork.
No.
Would that be considered intent to stay?
Yes. Do nothing.
Yes?
Let her come. Yes. Do nothing. She's coming to visit you. End of story. Okay. After 90 days, come talk to me. Hold on. All right.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Kiss formula.
Right. Ricky,
Hi, good morning.
how are you?
I'm good. I have one question. It's really a question. I have a friend. She attempted to come here in 2015 January, but she was stopped flagged at the airport in Atlanta. She was sent back to Jamaica. They advised her to sign a paper. She was sent back, but she wanted to apply for her visitor's visa again. Is it possible for them to issue her with another visa?
Well, she was stopped at the airport. Why was she stopped?
They said she was coming to work because she came here before.
No, she can't apply for a visitor's visa because if she came here to work, if they believe that.
No, she didn't came here to work. That's it. She was coming here to visit family.
I understand that,
but
I understand that, but they believe she was coming to work. So she has a misrepresentation for the rest of her life. She's barred forever unless she can prove at the embassy beyond a shadow of a doubt that she wasn't coming here to work, and that's going to.
I think she can prove it.
Okay, then she should try.
Okay. Is there like a particular process, or just apply?
Apply, and I'm telling you, she's going to be turned down. But she
Okay.
should try. Okay, Daniel in Port Charlotte, Florida. Daniel,
Yes, good afternoon.
How are you?
How are you doing?
yes. How are you?
Thank you for all the service you do for the community in general.
Thank you.
My question is that my wife has an appointment, a master hearing in immigration on February 1st, but she doesn't have no longer have a lawyer.
She better get one.
Can she go in?
She better get a lawyer. No, she can't go in by herself. You go in by yourself into a deportation hearing. The only thing that's going to result from that is you're getting deported. Get a lawyer.
Not a deportation hearing.
What?
That is the judge. They transfer the case to another judge.
You're in deportation.
And,
that's deportation. You're seeing a judge. As soon as the word judge and immigration, that equals you're in a deportation hearing. You need a lawyer. For you to be so oblivious to that fact is shocking. You don't go into immigration in a deportation hearing without a lawyer unless you want to be deported. Simple as that. Hold on. You're talking to a good lawyer, by the way.